Question number 43. Amit and Vijay started a partnership business on 1st April 2020. Their capital contribution were 2 lakhs, 1,50,000 respectively. The partnership deed provided as follows. So partners' capitals are given. Amit's capital 2 lakhs, Vijay's capital 1,50,000. Now interest on capital to be allowed at 10% per annum. So we have to calculate 10% per annum on the partner's capital. So on 2 lakhs, it is 10% of 2 lakhs comes to 20,000. 10% on 1,50,000 comes to 15,000. That is interest on capital. Then Amit to get a salary of 2,000 per month. So per month is given. So when per month is given means we have to convert it for 1 year. So 2,000 into 12. So it comes to 24,000. And Vijay 3,000 per month. So when per month is given means you have to convert it for 1 year. So 1 year salary will be 3,000 into 12. That comes to 36,000. Now here profits are to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. So after providing for all, that is interest on capital, partner salary, whatever the profits that comes, we call it as distributable profit. So that profit is to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Now net profit for the year ended 31st March 2021 was 2,16,000. So this we have to write it down in the profit and loss appropriation account credit side. And interest on drawings amounted to rupees 2,200 and for Amit and rupees 2,500 for Vijay. So this interest on drawings we have to take it to profit and loss appropriation account and even in partners capital account. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now solution for question number 43. Profit and loss appropriation account. This side left hand side debit side, right hand side credit side. Now interest on capital. So interest on capital will be Amit's capital 20,000, Vijay's capital 15,000. So total 35,000. And on this side, that is profit and loss. On the credit side we have to write down by profit and loss account net profit as it is given in the question 2,16,000. And interest on drawing is also given in the question. So Amit's capital 2,200, Vijay's capital 2,500. So total 4,700. Then afterwards here salary, that is to salary Amit's capital, that is we have converted for 1 year. So it comes to 24,000 and Vijay's salary is also 36,000. Per month was given, we converted it for 1 year. So total salary is 36,000. Then what we have to do, so whatever the amount, that is 2,16,000 plus 4,700, you will get 2,20,700. From that 2,20,700, we have to minus 35,000 and 60,000. These two we have to minus it. Then we will get a balance, that is 1,25,700. And this will be distributed in the profit sharing ratio. When you distribute this profit, we call it as distributable profit or divisible profits. So this distributable profits or divisible profits are to be shared in the profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio is 3:2. That is what is given. Then Amit's capital will be, that is Amit's profit will be 75,420 and Vijay's profits will be 50,280. So I hope you have understood this sum and even the answer also. Refer solution for question number 43. Question number 44. Prepare capital accounts of partners Ajay and Sanjay from the following information if their capitals are fluctuating. So in this question, we have to prepare only the partners capital account. So before doing this sum, we should know the format of partners capital account. What are the items that will come on the debit side and what are the items that will come on the credit side. Let's see here. Capital on 1st April 2020, Ajay and Sanjay. So this capital will come on the credit side of partners capital account, that is by balance brought down 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Drawings during the year ended 31st March 2021, 50,000, 30,000. So this will appear on the debit side of partners capital account. Then interest on capital 5%, 5%. So 5% on 4 lakhs, 5% on 3 lakhs. So 5% on 4 lakhs comes to 20,000. 5% on 3 lakhs comes to 15,000. So this interest on capital will appear on the partners capital account credit side. Then interest on drawings. So this interest on drawings will appear on the partners capital account debit side. 1,250 and 750. Now, share of profit for the year ended 31st March 2021, 60,000 and 50,000. So this share of profit will appear on the partners capital account credit side, 60,000 and 50,000. Partner salary, only Ajay is entitled to a salary. So this salary of Ajay will appear on the partners capital account credit side. Then commission. So here again commission 5,000 and 3,000. So this commission will also appear on the partners capital account credit side. Now let's see the solution for question number 44. Partners capital account. Debit side, credit side. Particulars Ajay rupees, Sanjay rupees. Particulars Ajay rupees, Sanjay rupees. And now on the credit side, by balance brought down. So this is what is the capital of Ajay and Sanjay. That we should write down on the credit side of partners capital account. Then by interest on capital 20,000 and 15,000. We have calculated 5% on this. 5% on this. That is interest on capital. And salary, only Ajay is entitled to a salary. So by salary 36,000. Then by commission Ajay 5,000. Sanjay 3,000. Then profit, it is given in the question itself. By profit Ajay 60,000, Sanjay 50,000. Now on the debit side of partners capital account, see here two drawings 50,000 and 30,000. It is given in the question itself. And even interest on drawing is also given in the question. Both will appear on the debit side of partners capital account. So interest on drawings is 1,250 and then 750 for Sanjay. Then after writing whatever the item given in the question, what we have to do is we have to find out the balance. How we arrived at these balances? Let's see. Take the total of this. Ajay, the total comes to 5,21,000. So 5,21,000 minus debit side total, that is 51,250. Then you will get the balance as 4,69,750. In the same way for Sanjay, take the total of this side, credit side, which comes to 3,68,000. So this total minus the debit side total, that is 30,750. You will get a balance of 3,37,250. And this balance we have to carry forward to the next year. So next year means by balance brought down 4,69,750 and 3,37,250. Now refer the solution for question number 44. Now question number 45. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. So the profit sharing ratio is 3:1. On 1st April 2020, their capitals were A 50,000, B 30,000. So their capitals are 50 and 30. During the year ended 31st March 2021, the firm earned a net profit of 50,000. So this profit we have to write it down in the profit and loss appropriation account, credit side. Understand? And this partner's capital, credit side, we have to write down 50,000 and 30,000 in their columns. Now, the terms of partnership are interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. So this interest on capital, that is to be allowed at 6% per annum. For A, it will be 6% on 50,000, it comes to 3,000. 6% on 30,000, it comes to 1,800. So this interest on capital, it will appear in the profit and loss appropriation account debit side and partners capital account credit side. Now A will get a commission at 2% on turnover. So on turnover we have to calculate 2%. So how much is the turnover given in the question? 3 lakhs. So 2% comes to, it is 6,000. So A is entitled to commission of 6,000, that will appear in the profit and loss appropriation account debit side and partners capital account credit side. Next one, B will get a salary of 500 per month. This is per month is given. We have to convert it for 1 year. So 500 into 12, it comes to 6,000. So that 6,000 profit and loss appropriation account debit side, partners capital account credit side. Now B will get commission of 5% on profits after deduction of all expenses including such commission. When the word including such commission is given means what we have to do? We have to follow that the formula for calculating the commission. That is commission equal to, that is profit after all expenses into rate by 100 plus rate. Okay, that formula we have to calculate it. At the time of solving the sum we will see. Now partners drawings for the year were A 8,000 and B 6,000. So this will appear in the partners capital account debit side. Turnover for the year was 3 lakhs. After considering the above facts, you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So here what we have to prepare? We have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Solution for question number 45, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2021, debit side and credit side. Credit side by profit and loss account, net profit given in the question 50,000. On the debit side, to interest on capital, A's capital, B's capital. This is what is interest on capital, 4,800. And commission to A, that is 2% on the turnover. This 3 lakhs is the turnover, 2% of that comes to 6,000. And salary, B's salary, it is given as 500 per month for 1 year, it is 6,000. Then B's commission. How to calculate commission for B is, see here, what is the profit for the that in whatever the question, in the question they have given the profit 50,000. 50,000 minus 4,800 minus 6,000 minus 6,000. You will get 33,200. On this you have to calculate 5 by 105. It comes to 1581. Understand? Then afterwards we have to calculate the profits which are to be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That is 50,000 minus this, including B's commission. Then you will get, that is 31,619. This will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. That comes to 23,714, 7,905. Now in question number 45, that is profit and loss appropriation account, we have seen. Now partners capital account debit and credit. On the credit side, by balance brought down, whatever is given in the question. Then by interest on capital, 3,000 and 1,800. Commission, this is a commission for A and commission for B. Then salary, only B is entitled to receive salary, 6,000. Then profit and loss appropriation account, 23,714 and 7,905. This is what is the profits which are shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now on the debit side you have drawings, 2 drawings, 8,000 and 6,000. And how to find out this balance is, that is take the total of A on the credit side, it comes to 82,714 minus 8,000, you will get 74,714. Then afterwards, in the same way for B, take the total on the credit side. It comes to 47,286 minus 6,000. You will get 41,286. Okay, so both the totals on both the sides, it should be in the same line. Then this closing balance we have to carry forward. Then on the opposite side, that is on the credit side, you have to write down by balance brought down 74,714 and 41,286. Now refer the solution for question number 45. Now let's see question number 46. Sajal and Kajal are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. On 1st April 2020, their capitals were Sajal 5 lakhs, Kajal 4 lakhs. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account and the partners capital account at the end of the year from the following information. So in this question, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital accounts. So profit sharing ratio is given as 2:1, and this Sajal's capital and Kajal's capital will appear in the partners capital account credit side. Now interest on capital. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. So 5% on 5 lakhs comes to 25,000. 5% on 4 lakhs 20,000. So this interest on capital will appear in the profit and loss appropriation account debit side and partners capital account credit side. Now interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year, the amount of loan being 3 lakhs. So here Kajal has lent a loan to the firm 3 lakhs. On this 3 lakhs we have to calculate interest. So this interest on loan will be a charge. So whatever the profit they have given, out of that profit we have to deduct the interest on loan first. Okay, and now interest on partners drawing 6% per annum. So drawings of Sajal 1 lakh, Kajal 80,000. So since the date of withdrawal is not given, so we have to calculate for 6 months. So if you take drawings, interest on drawings of Sajal 1 lakh into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, it comes to 3,000. And for Kajal, 80,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, it comes to 2,400. Then 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. First of all, you should understand what is the meaning of divisible profit. Divisible profits are distributable profits. That means what? The profit which is after considering the above, after deducting interest on capital, interest on loan and interest on this, after considering the above, whatever the profit comes, that profit is distributable profits or divisible profits. 10% of that will be transferred to general reserve. Now profit before giving effect to the above for the year ended 31st March 2021 is 7,02,600. So this is what is the profit, 7,02,600. Out of this profit, first we have to minus the interest on loan. Now solution for question number 46. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2021. Debit side and credit side. Now by profit and loss account, in the book they have given profit as 7,02,600. So from this 7,02,600 we have to minus 18,000, which is interest on loan. So that interest on loan is a charge against profit. So from this profit we have to minus the interest on loan. Then the remaining profit will be 6,84,600, which are there for appropriation. Understand? So now on the debit side, interest on capital. Sajal's capital 25,000, Kajal's capital 20,000. So total 45,000. Then afterwards this interest on drawings, Sajal's drawing, that is 1 lakh into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. Why we have taken 6 by 12? Because date of withdrawal is not given. So it comes to 3,000. Kajal's capital 80,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12, 2,400, it comes to 5,400. Then after that, this total, that is 6 lakhs 90,000, this total, if you take the total of this and this, it comes to 6 lakhs 90,000. So 6 lakhs 90,000 minus 45,000, you will get 6 lakhs 45,000. On this, 10% will be transferred to general reserve. So 6 lakhs 45,000 into 10 by 100, it comes to 64,500. Then afterwards, this total, that is credit side total comes to 6 lakhs 90,000. 6 lakhs 90,000 minus this total, you will get 5 lakh 80,500. This will be distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. And the profit sharing ratio is whatever is given in the textbook, that is 2:1. Let's see partners capital account. Earlier we have seen profit and loss appropriation account. Now partners capital account, debit, credit. So on the credit side, by balance brought down 5 lakhs. Sajal's capital 5 lakhs, Kajal's capital 4 lakhs. And by interest on capital 25,000 and 20,000. And this by profit and loss appropriation account is, this is what is the profit which is shown in the profit and loss appropriation account, that is 3,87,000, 1,93,500. Now come to the debit side. Debit side, two drawings, 1 lakh and 80,000, and two interest on drawings, 3,000 and 2,400. Then afterwards, what we have to do is, we have to take the total of Sajal. It comes to 9,12,000 on the credit side, 9,12,000 minus 1,03,000, the debit side total. You will get the balance as 8,09,000. In the same way for Kajal also. On the credit side, the total is 6,13,500 minus 82,400 debit side total. You will get the balance as 5,31,100. And this we have to carry forward. So when we are carrying forward, that time on the credit side, by balance brought down 8,09,000 for Sajal and 5,31,100 for Kajal. Refer the solution for question number 46. Question number 47. Ali Bahadur are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses as Ali 70% and Bahadur 30%. So 70% and 30% means the profit sharing ratio will be 7:3. Their respective capitals as at 1st April 2020 stand as Ali 25,000, Bahadur 20,000. So their capitals are given. Their capitals should appear in the partners capital account credit side. The partners are allowed interest on capital at 5% per annum. So this interest on capital 5% on 25,000 we have to calculate, and 5% on 20,000 for Bahadur we have to calculate, and this interest on capital will appear in the profit and loss appropriation account debit side, then partners capital account credit side. Drawings of the partners during the year ended 31st March 2021 were 3,500 and 2,500 respectively. So this drawings will appear in the partners capital account debit side. Profit for the year before allowing interest on capital and annual salary of Bahadur 3,000 was 40,000. That means profit is 40,000. And 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. That means what? After divisible profits means distributable profits. That means from profits we have to consider the interest on capital, annual salary of Bahadur. These are to be deducted. After deducting interest on capital and salary, whatever the profit comes, that profit we call it as divisible profits or distributable profit. So 10% of that distributable profit or divisible profit is to be transferred to reserve. Now prepare partners current account and capital accounts regarding the above transactions. In question number 47, partners current account and partners capital accounts are asked. But for preparing those two accounts, we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So this will be under working note. So in that profit and loss appropriation account, by profit and loss on the credit side 40,000, which is given in the question. Now on the debit side, to interest on capital. Since there is a current account, that means what? The capitals are fixed. So interest on capital, we have to transfer it to the current account. So interest on capital, Ali's interest on capital is 1250 and Bahadur's interest on capital is 1000, which comes to 2250. Then salary, Bahadur is entitled to receive salary of 3000, which is written on the debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Then afterwards we have to transfer 10% to the general reserve. So the 10% is how we have got 34,750, that is 40,000 minus this total, that is 5,250. You will get 34,750. So this, on this amount you have to calculate 10%, which will be transferred to the general reserve, and the remaining, that is profit, are to be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 31,275. How we got 31,275? That is 40,000 minus this total. Okay, you will get 31,275, which is to be distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Now come to partners capital account and partners current account. When you see partners capital account and partners current account here, if you see here partners current account, if you see credit side interest on capital 1,250 and 1,000. In this question they did not give any partners current account balances. So by salary 3000, Bahadur is entitled to receive salary, and profit and loss appropriation account, that is the profits. So that we have to write it down in their respective columns. Now we will come to the debit side, two drawings, 3,500 and 2,500 given in the question. Now we have to arrive at this balance. How to arrive at this balance? If you see Ali's credit side, the total is 23,142. This minus drawings, that is 3,500. So you will get a balance of 19,642. In the same way for Bahadur. So if you see the credit side total 13,383 minus drawings of Bahadur 2,500, you will get 10,883. So this will be transferred to next year. So next year or carried forward, we have by balance brought down 19,642, 10,883. Now we will move to partners capital account, that is also asked in the question. So if you see here, by balance brought down 25,000 and 20,000, that is what is given in the question. And see here, to balance CD, the same thing. There is no what you call the items which are to be shown in the partners capital account. So that is why the same thing, the balance, it will come on the debit side, and this balance we have to carry forward. That is by balance brought down 25,000 and 20,000. Solution for question number 47.